Hello future nurses, welcome to Nursing Guru. Here is an important update. The exam timetable has been revised and your BSc Nursing, semester based or year based, whatever it is, and post BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing exam will officially begin from December 8, 2025. The countdown has started and this is the best time to focus on the smart and effective study strategies. Let's start learning together with Nursing Guru. We provide classes that is handled with experienced nursing educators who has completed MSc Nursing, BSc Nursing and have solid experience in teaching and clinical practice and also in evaluation. Our goal is to make you confident and well prepared for your exams. We are arranging special online and live classes just for you, so don't miss it. And here is something exciting. So what is that? Our new version of Nursing Guru app is coming soon, within just 2 days. It's packed with new features and tools to make your exam preparation easier and more effective. If you need any study assistance, notes or textbook, feel free to contact us anytime because we are always here to support the passionate nursing students like you. Now let's talk about study tips for your final preparation. First is make a proper timetable. Divide your subjects into daily goals. Spend more time on difficult topics but keep revising the easier ones too. The second one, that is follow 3R rule. Read, revise, recall. Read your notes carefully, revise them regularly and recall without looking to the test your memory. Okay, so the next one, third one is use a short note and flashcard for the quick last minute test. Next, the fourth one is discuss or make questioning with your friends. Alright, next is the fifth one, practice previous year question paper. It helps you understand the patterns and important topics. The sixth one, use diagrams and flashcard for the subjects like anatomy, physiology and pharmacology. Next is take a short break every 45 to 50 minutes. It keeps your brain active. Next is active early in the morning instead of studying up late. That is depend upon the students and depend upon you. Okay, next is the interesting one, eat healthy and stay hydrated. The most important thing, believe in yourself. Success doesn't come from studying all the day. It comes from studying smart, being constant and studying focused. You have come so far, now it's your time to shine. For complete study support, live classes, exam updates and motivation, download Nursing Guru app today itself. Stay calm, stay confident because your success stories is just a beginning.